I'm gonna leave everything to live in New York. My name is Ryan, I'm a content creator. I make lifestyle vlogs, fashion and sports videos. If you don't know me, I've been to Paris, I've been to London, I've lived there. Those cities was great cities, but I wanted to be in the bigger cities. I don't know why, but the city of New York was calling me for a long time. Time passed by, and the more I was consuming content on YouTube, the more I wanted to come to New York. Maybe you're going to find yourself in me, and you're going to see the vision that I have. Maybe there's a place out there in the world who's calling your name, and all the time you'll be thinking about moving out there. I just want to say, don't think about it and just do it, because you don't know what's going to happen to your life. And that's why I came here. A friend of mine said, you're wasting your time consuming all of this content, and why not you book a flight? And that's why I said to myself, yeah, I'm gonna book this flight. I came here. So the city of New York can bring me a lot of things, because I said I want a bigger place, and I think this is the place where I can fit all my mind, all my everything. Like my creativity can be like outshining here, like the sun on my face. But yeah, I think this is a great city, because I don't know, I feel something, the vibration and more. But I can bring a lot of things here, like my creativity. And also I've been to different bigger cities like Paris and London, so I can see different angles. I can come, like, I don't know how to say it, but I think I'm more like, I can see clearly when I want to go. And when I was in those cities, that was great. I was networking, but not networking as much I can, like harder. But here, I think my voice, and even though my personality and I can say my aura, I don't know, but my vibration and my energy can bring a lot of things to the city. But I know, like, these streets of New York can bring me a lot of things, like a lot of content, a lot of people to reach. And that's why I said to myself, yeah, I'm gonna come here. I'm really happy, but at the same time, I need to go back to my city, because this is not my place, this is not my home. But I came here to try empty all the different perspectives that I can see here in New York, you know. And this is not a goodbye, this is just a au revoir, à bientôt, like we say in French. But yeah, I'm a French content creator who want to come and live the life in New York, to create and show my work to everyone. I'm really grateful for everything that I have, but I don't want to like stay in my comfort zone and be like, yeah, that's enough. I want to reach more goals, and I want to experience more things, because I know I'm called for greatness. And if I'm called for greatness, I need to be out there and talking to people. And I think this is like, you guys gotta do the same things. Like, if you're called to bigger things, you need to set goals and go for that, you know. You gotta work, because nothing is taken for granted. Like, you gotta be out there and just outworking, because someone else is outworking you already. So just be you, be out there, perform. And yeah, that's a great place though, I ain't gonna care. They are going to see I've got a lot of interaction with people. People show love to me, and that's really great. I'm not gonna say like in Paris and London, they don't show me love, but here it's different. I feel the love, and I feel like I'm a part of something here. And obviously, if you already saw like a lot of videos of mine, or some of them, yeah, I can see I've been doing some challenges, and I want to do another one, a new one. But that won't be my side quest, that'll be my main quest, to move out here in New York and be the biggest creator, like content creator and modeling, because I'll be doing modeling as well. So I know I can bring a lot of things here, and people here can bring me a lot of like good vibes and opportunities that I can have in Paris or even in London. Don't think too much, just come out here, explore, live the city, smell the city, talk with the people, and they will give you some advices. Life is made of chapters, and this is my time to move on and to write a new chapter in my life. This new chapter is starting now. Welcome to the show.